everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So I had bought these plastic hands over at Dollar General for $1 each. And I am going to put a little paint to enhance them. I want them to look really kind of scary and creepy for Halloween and not just like a plastic hand. So what I plan on doing with these is I'm going to put them in some garland over in front of my TV set. I want them to kind of stand up out of the garland, but I really want them to look creepy. So I have some paints here. I don't know what colors I'm going to need. Looks like a flesh. And then I have this chestnut brown. I have a black. I have a couple shades of green here. And I don't know. I'm just going to mess around with the paint and touch these hands up to make them look really creepy for Halloween. So I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I have so far. And I left one unpainted so you could see the difference. And I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to add a little bit more still. But I just mixed this bright green. I don't know what it's called. Use whatever you have on hand if you want to do this. Mint. And I had, the only dark brown I had was this chestnut brown. But, you could do any colors you wanted. And I think it looks good. It kind of looks like it's been in a swamp or buried for a while. So, but there's the difference, I can tell. And I'll let that dry. And then I'll probably add a little bit more. I'm just goofing around. I have no idea. Just messing around with paint and having fun. Okay, so let me paint this last one. Just wanted to show you the difference. These kind of remind me of alien hands. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. I painted the fingernails that swampy green color, and I've brushed some green and mixed in some of that orange color with it. Now I'm going to let them dry, and then I'll see if it needs anything else. So I think they came out pretty good. I really like them. And I'm going to let them dry a little more. Then I'll get them tucked down into my garland right across my TV, the front of my TV stand. I think it's going to look great. So let them dry for a little bit longer, and I'll get those put in my garland. So here I have tucked my creepy hands down inside my garland right in front of my TV. And it kind of reminds me of that old Halloween movie, Creature from the Black Lagoon. So that's what I have now. I probably will add some fairy lights to it or some candles, but for now, that's all I'm going to do. So I hope you enjoyed my little video, and I hope you have a good week. See you soon. Love you guys. Bye for now.